Okay guys, so today we'll be working on making our sounds for our game. And the sounds will include the coin pickup, the jumping sound, and the theme music. Now you can find all three files in the 2D scroller file folder I sent or that you downloaded, and you can find them in sounds, and then you just want to copy all those files, go to your workspace and go to your assets folder, and you want to make a new folder, and you want to call it new folder, and you want to do SFX, finish, and paste, and yep, there you go. So we have all the files there. Now we're going to work on loading them. So go to your resource manager class, and you want to go ahead and create three variables. And first one's going to be public music, and we're going to call it theme music, and coin collect. Actually, no, that'd be a sound. So just leave that theme music and go ahead and import the music right here. And public sound, and you want to do coin collect and public sound, and we're gonna do jump sound, and go ahead and import both the sound packages. Import. Alright, so let's go ahead and load those in. Go to your game, load game graphics. Below that you should have a method called load game sounds, and here's where we're going to load our sounds. So to load sounds is pretty easy. It's just like loading textures almost, except the difference is you'll be using a different factory. So to start off, the first thing we're going to do is we just want to go ahead and do theme music equals music factory create music from asset, and you want to do activity dot get music manager, pass it the activity, and for the asset path you're going to do gfx slash theme underscore music dot ogg, and we have to add a try and catch. So if you hover over this, you need to do surround with try and catch, and as you see there, we have a try and catch. Alright, so next thing we need to do is do the same thing again for our sound, except this time we'll be using the sound factory. So to do that, you'll simply do this coin collect equals sound factory dot create music from asset activity dot get sound manager, pass the activity, and for the asset path it's going to be gfx slash coin pickup dot ogg, and end it. Next thing is going to be this dot, and here you want to do jump sound equals sound factory dot create sound from asset activity dot get sound manager, and pass the activity in, and do here gfx slash jumping dot ogg, and there we go. And that's all you need to do for sounds, and now our sounds are loaded and we can use them. So let's go back to our game scene now. Actually, let's go to our player class first, and when we jump in this jump method here, we want to call that sound. So we need to do resources or resource manager get instance jump jump sound, and then we need to do play, so that way we play a sound when he jumps. And alright, let's leave out of there and go to our game scene. And now in the game scene we need to go to our collision detection where coin is, which is here, and we want to play a sound here. So we want to do this not this. We want to do resource manager, and you want to do coin collect and then play. All right, there we go for that. And to play our sound, we need to go to our main menu. Looks like we have a little error. Yeah, we're gonna go to our main menu, and here, once our create scene method is called, at the end here, we're gonna do resource manager get instance, not class, get instance dot play theme music dot play, just like that. And actually we can just do this, since we already have an object. We're gonna do resource manager, just like that. All right, so let's go ahead and run it and listen to some music and some cool sounds. All right, and let's run it. Run, and oh, got an error. So let's see what error we have here. It's probably wants to type something wrong. Ah, yes. So for the theme music, we need to move this right here. We need to move that to our load menu sounds, because remember, this load game sounds doesn't get called till after the menu is loaded. So we need to go to load menu sounds here, and we need to put that theme music there and surround it with a try and catch, and there we go. So now let's run it and we should be good. And we still get an error. Let's see what it is. So a little debugging. Let's see, got a no point exception at theme music. Let's make sure we're calling a theme music. So let's see here. Let's make sure we're calling that load menu resources, load menu graphics, load menu sounds, and theme music.ogg is typed correctly. Everything's right. And let's see what happens in our scene manager. Scene manager and create menu scene, load menu resources, and it should work. Let's try something else. Let's try to move the sound to first, like that. I'm not really sure if that make a difference, but it's kind of weird this not want to work correctly. Okay guys, so we made a mistake. So let's go back to our resource manager, and here where we load our sounds, we actually made a mistake. This should be I'm completely embarrassed that I didn't catch that. This should be SFX for sound effects, and we need to change these two, and here should be same thing, SFX. All right, now let's give it a run and see what we get. All right, there we go. I don't know if you guys can hear my sound playing, but the music's actually playing. So we hit play, and our jump sound's playing, and the coin sound's playing. Pretty awesome. Make it. Ah, yes. All right, so there we go, guys. That is it for working with sounds, and I will see you guys in the next section.